Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is a 4-hour starter DXY, and as we can clearly see, the market is not moving much. First of all, let's look at some news. Dollar stands firm while traders await CPI. So as per the news, there is no movement in the market because market is eagerly waiting for CPI. And when is CPI? The CPI is, as you can see, CPI is on 12th January. Today is 11th, so on 12th January we have CPI, and CPI may be the news that will bring some volatility, at least some good movement to the market. So DXY is flat right now, as you can clearly see that the previous support, the previous support of 103.50 is acting as a minor resistance in the market right now. Overall, the picture of DXY is still not very positive. If DXY breaks this level, then the downside will continue. But as of now, we can see that it is waiting for the CPI tomorrow. Same goes with gold also. You can see gold is also flat, stagnant right now, standing at 1873. So those who are still holding sell position in the market, be on the trade, no need to exit, because I personally think that there is a good possibility that market will show a drop. Maybe by today, maybe by tomorrow, but at least there should be a drop because already market is continuing the structure and market is standing at the top. So the drop is still pending. And this kind of move is also known as volatility contraction pattern. Usually we do not give much importance whenever a market is flat, but volatility contraction pattern says whenever market is flat, it means that market is about to give us a big move, because these kind of zones, when the market is not moving, these kind of zones are also known as money bombs or money making zones in the market. There is no confirmation about the direction of the market, but yes, the market is about to blast. Okay, so in case a drop comes, listen to me carefully now. In case a drop comes after this move, okay, then obviously market will be going big, and this support, the support of 1868, may not work. The chances of working 1868 is very low right now because already market is very much sluggish. So whenever the move will come, the market will show us a big red candle or a big green candle. So as a result, the chance of working this as support is very low right now. And in case a drop comes, then the first support will be around 1850. Around 1850 we have the first support, and the next logical support will be around 1825 to 1827. So if big drop comes, only two resistance may work: 1825, 27 and 1850. 1850 is just a psychological support, not a very strong support. So in short, in short, we do not have any strong support, immediate strong support on the chart of gold right now. 1850, see, 1853 is a Fibonacci 50% retracement level, so it may work. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay. And on the other hand, if market breaks, if a market breaks this high here and market starts going up, then also you may go for a buy position, but be careful because already market has shown considerable upside. Okay, so please be careful. If you see the market is trading comfortably above 1882 for 4 to 5 hours, then only go for a buy position. Because if market breaks 1882, then the whole structure will change. Okay, the present structure of the chart of gold will change. So I don't think so the market will be going towards 1900 level right now, because if market starts going towards if market breaks 1882 level, then technically we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart of gold. So things will be very critical again for the market. So and before news, if you're taking a buy position or if you see any breakout kind of a scenario, okay, I'm talking about CPI. So let's say by today, if you see a breakout kind of a scenario, do not take a buy position immediately because it can be a false breakout as well. False breakouts are bitter realities of the market, so please be careful. Do not place a buy position immediately, because you may see that after taking a buy position, market is coming down again. See, on the higher time frame, okay, these are the only trading opportunities. If you move to 15 minutes time frame, or if we move to 15 minutes time frame, then we can see a typical sideways market. So on 15 minutes time frame, we may have some buying opportunity around 1868. Okay. Around 1868 we may have some buy position, and around 1881 we may have some sell opportunity during the day. But keep in mind, these levels are from 15 minutes time frame only, so 15 minutes time frame is not much reliable in comparison to the 4 hours time frame or 1 hour time frame. So be careful. If you see market bouncing from 1868 level, then only take a buy position. If you see market reversing from 1880 1881 level, then only take a sell position. Otherwise, don't do anything. In case a big drop comes below 1868 level, okay, in case a big drop comes below 1868 level, we may think about a sell position below this level as well. Why? Because you can say this is the present structure of the market. So if market breaks this level, then yes, there is a good possibility that market will be going down. So you can take a sell position below 1868 level as well. But do not go big, because news is very important. See, before news, SL hunting is very common. Now we can see the market is waiting for CPI, so SL hunting may happen on each and every USD pair. Okay, so don't be surprised if SL hunting happens. So that's it. So please be careful. And as the market is sluggish, market is flat, so not many levels to discuss right now. So wait, enjoy the winters. Bye bye. Take care.